Cream cheese icing is generally made up of cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, and butter, with slight variations depending on the recipe. It is often used on cinnamon rolls, chocolate cakes, vanilla cakes, carrot cakes, spiced cakes, brownies, and cookies. It is a simple frosting that has a delicious taste. When you are not serving dessert with cream cheese icing, it should be kept refrigerated. Cream cheese icing can safely be at room temperature for 2 hours, but after that should be stored in the fridge. The Food and Drug Administration recommends that any food containing cream cheese should be refrigerated within 2 hours. However, if you do forget to put your cream cheese icing in the fridge, it is generally fine at room temperature for up to 8 hours. This is due to the sugar in the icing acts as a preservative. Cream cheese is made from cow's milk, and it is not aged or ripened, making it perishable. If left out for more than 2 hours, cream cheese and cream cheese products become prone to foodborne illnesses, such as E. coli. Leaving cream cheese out for more than 2 hours in the danger zone, which is 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, can cause harmful bacteria to grow. If cream cheese is in temperatures 90 degrees Fahrenheit or hotter, it can only safely last for an hour. After the 2-hour period between 40 to 140 degrees and the 1-hour period above 90 degrees, bacteria can begin to double in rate, multiplying in as little as 20 minutes. Leftover frosting should be stored in the fridge inside an airtight container, and frosted desserts should be covered. Before serving cream cheese frosting, it is best to let it thaw for about 30 minutes from the fridge. If you have stored it in the freezer, you can transfer it to the fridge for a day, and then let it thaw on the counter for 30 minutes as well. This will allow it to reach room temperature. When making cream cheese icing, you will want to make sure to use block cream cheese. Spreadable cream cheese and whipped cream cheese have different textures than block, and will change the consistency of the icing. Blocks of cream cheese have the lowest water content, so they will prevent your frosting from being too soft and runny. When making cream cheese icing, be sure to allow the butter to reach room temperature and the cream cheese to be soft, but cold. Softening your cream cheese and butter will assure that the ingredients will combine well, and you will have a smooth, lump-free icing. If the butter and cream cheese are too warm, it will cause the frosting to be runny. Cream cheese frosting has a great texture for decorating baked goods with. It is a good consistency for using a piping bag to create decorations. If the frosting starts to become too soft while working with it, you can put it in the fridge for a few minutes to stiffen back up. Spatulas are also a great tool for decorating desserts with. Storing cream cheese icing in the fridge will also help it stay fresh, and it can be stored for up to 2 weeks. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.